Assalamualaikum guys, today we have this iPhone 15 Pro Max. In iPhone 15 Pro Max we have different colors. We have blue, we have black, but the new color in this year is this is like natural color. We have different in 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB. The main thing that today in this video I'll cover that what are the models in iPhone 15 Pro Max, and before even 15 Pro Max we have like 14, we have 13. What are the models in which we have different SIM slots? So the first of all, I'm going to unbox this iPhone 15 Pro Max. So meanwhile I am going to tell you as well what are the difference between these iPhone models, right? So this is iPhone 15 Pro Max. You can see this is non-active. I'm going to active this phone in front of you guys. So in this we can see there is a SIM slot. So this is which model we have, what are the models that we have with the SIM slot, and what are the models that we don't have any SIM slot. So this model we have, this is LA model, LLA, this is American model. The first model is LLA, which is American model, US based model, in which we have two SIM slots inside, like the both SIMs are eSIMs. So let me see this first of all. This iPhone, this is we have this natural, yes, this is what. So the first iPhone ever we have, this is LLA. We have UK or London Canadian model, we have HK model. So in LLA model we have two types of iPhones. In American LLA we have two types of iPhones. In first class of iPhone, in which we have the SIM slot, this is LLA, we have a SIM slot in this model. You can put one SIM, one physical SIM in Pakistan, right? One physical SIM, one eSIM, one physical, one eSIM. This is the first model LLA. For in Pakistan we use physical and one eSIM. Like why I'm listing Pakistan, because in Pakistan we really need physical SIM. In out of the country, like in US, they don't have any physical SIM. They majorly use eSIMs, right? So in Pakistan we have we majorly prefer both physical SIMs, not eSIMs, right? So whenever you are going to buy any model of an iPhone, so make sure that you are going to buy HK or the other SIM. So first class of an iPhone is LLA model. In LLA model there are two types of LLA models. So the first model in LLA, where we have both eSIMs. First we have both eSIMs. The second we have one eSIM and one we have physical SIM. So in LLA there are two classes. So both eSIMs, one physical and one E. So this is the second class of an iPhone, in which we have one E and one physical SIM, right? So this first class we have covered. The second class of an iPhone, in which we have both HK, both we have physical SIMs. This is Hong Kong model, in which we have one slot upside, one slot downside. So we have both two SIMs together at the same time physically. So this is HK model. First LLA, in LLA we have two options, both eSIMs, one physical and one eSIM. Second class is HK. In HK we have both physical SIMs. That is the best model I think we have in Pakistan. That's the best model that we can put any SIM inside, any SIM outside, right? So another models we have TRA, Dubai models, in which one eSIM, one physical, Canadian, Australian, different like models. So today in this video we are going to cover this iPhone 15 Pro Max. So this is 15 Pro Max 512 GB. As we can see, this is 512 GB. I'll update the pictures, and I'll update the everything specs in this in the pictures, in the proper. We have the post in that. So this is only with Type-C cable. As we know, the 15 Pro Max is with Type-C cable. It doesn't have any lightning cable like we have this. We have like this. We have this AirPods even, right? So even iPhone has very much used the lightning cable of its devices. This is what we have an Apple TV. I have 55 inches LCD in front of me, and I have connected my Apple TV with that LCD. Even whenever I want to use my LCD, I always use this remote with that. This is even compatible with the lightning cable of iPhone. But first in first time Apple introduced this type C instead of lightning cable in every device. Even all of the devices, even iPads, even AirPods, we have lightning cable. We have in this we have a lightning cable, but in this case we have this type C. So in today's video we did cover the type models in iPhone 15 Pro Max, different models, LLA model, UK model, Australian model, TRA model. So different models we have discussed, in which there are how many SIM slots, how many eSIMs, how many physical SIMs. So simple that we have already covered. So this iPhone we have, this is non-active iPhone. I'm going to active in another video. So it has everything with this. It has this type C. We can, so this is both type C. Even you can use type C of this MacBook. We charge this MacBook with the type C and with the MagSafe 3 cable. So you guys can use any of the type C cable with this iPhone. Thank you so much.